If you're trying to find a reliable Hostinger coupon code and a simple Hostinger review, this will give you a clear idea. Hostinger is currently offering deals on all plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, plus 3 extra months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, what many people like is how easy everything is to use. You get solid performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder. And if you need more advanced setups, there are options like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N. And every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 additional months. Just tap the link below or scan the QR code to continue.